Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off mic mode on iPhone in iOS 26. So guys, if you want to turn off mic mode or voice isolation or wide spectrum mode on your iPhone in iOS 26, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, all you have to do is that you have to simply go to call, and when you're calling you have to simply drag down your control center, and here you will see the mic option. Simply tap on this, and here you can see this. If it is selected on voice isolation or wide spectrum or automatic, then you have to simply check this to standard. So guys, you can see this, you have to simply check this to standard, or you can also check this to automatic. And in this way, after this, the mic mode will be turned off on your iPhone. So as you can see this, you can easily drag down your control center and go to your microphone or mic, and then you have to simply select standard from here. So guys, when you select standard, then the mic mode will be turned off. In this way, you can also turn off mic mode on your iPhone. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.